ready to transform your Real Geeks website from a digital brochure into a serious cash-generating machine. First, let's talk lead generation a circumflex euros. Optimize your website for SEO by using relevant keywords like neighborhoods, property types, and school districts in your page titles, meta descriptions, and content to rank higher in search results. Next up is content marketing. Create valuable content like blog posts, neighborhood guides, and market updates to attract potential clients searching for information. Always include compelling calls to action that encourage visitors to register on your site. Capture leads with targeted landing pages offering valuable resources like free home evaluations or buyer guides in exchange for contact information. Make sure these pages are clean, concise, and mobile-friendly. Boost your reach with paid advertising. Use Google Ads and Facebook ads to target specific demographics and geographic areas, driving qualified traffic directly to your Real Geeks website. Continuously monitor your campaigns to optimize for the best return on investment. Don't let leads go cold. Nurture your leads effectively through Real Geeks CRM by setting up automated email campaigns, text message sequences, and task reminders to stay top of mind and convert leads into clients. Showcase your success with client testimonials. Positive reviews build trust and credibility, making potential clients more likely to choose you as their agent. Feature them prominently on your website. Finally, analyze your results. Regularly review your website analytics, conversion rates, and ROI from different marketing channels to identify what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy accordingly to maximize your earnings.